Hello everyone and welcome to another fascinating DIY how-to type thing. I know tool review, that's it. So I bought this Vax Spotwash because I came to my parents' house and the steps in their house are so revolting I had to clean it because it was making me feel a bit queasy. So yeah, I just thought I'd give it a quick review because it was 100 quid in Argos. I was a bit, you know, it's not very industrial, so I was a bit confused about it, but you know, I thought I'd give it a shot because I just couldn't handle the stairs anymore. They're so gross. Come here and we'll have a quick look at the stairs. So I'm going to show you the MINGY stairs now that are offending me so much. There we go. Look at all this ming, absolutely minging. Gross, gross, gross. So yeah, I'm going to give them a quick clean, see how it comes out, and give that thing a bit of a review. So, you know, cheap and cheerful. Well, I say cheap. 100 quid's not that cheap, but it's probably the cheapest one you can get. So yeah, I'll give it a quick whiz and see how we go. I'll put it on time lapse because I've just figured out how to do that on the internet, so I'm all excited about it. Anyway, yeah, good job. So, my little Vax Spotwash here. I just did 3 stairs because it only holds a litre in there and like a litre of waste, but you know, that gives you about 10-15 minutes. Wasn't bad really. You can see the little brush bits on the bottom there, pick up all the scrunge. Actually, that's pretty disgusting. It was about 10 times that amount. Ugh. Gack, it was gross. That's why I had to wash them. Let's just pop in here quickly. Come with me to the dirty stairs. Right. You have to follow the finger down to the stairs, but you know, they're not bad really. They come up all right. You can see gross mingy one, not gross mingy ones. I mean, you'll have to excuse the lighting, it's pretty terrible, but yes, you have to trust me, it looks a lot less disgusting than it did a minute ago. So I'm just going to pop this open and then you can see that's the steps. That's pretty grim. Let's go over here and empty it out. How do I get in this thing? Oh, there we go. Pretty easy, little clip around the back. Whole top comes off, lovely. Let's just watch this filth as it comes out of there. Oh, that's pretty special. Right, parents, you are a disgrace. But yeah, also, anyway, the little Vax Spotwash thing, I'm going to give that an 8 out of 10. I reckon that's pretty good. I don't know how long it's going to last, but you know, for 100 quid compared to the ones you can spend thousands on, it doesn't last that long because it only takes a litre. But yeah, pretty good result. Spotwash, Spotwash, Spotwash. Okay.